Hello everyone, my name is Raj. Welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at how to install the Quixel Bridge and Megascans plugin for Reality Editor. The first thing that you will need to do is go to quixel.com and then download the Bridge exe. I will just go ahead and download this. Once the download is complete, just install Bridge to your system. Once the installation is complete, just open Quixel Bridge and say sign in. You will have to sign in with your Epic Games account. I will quickly sign in. Once you are logged in, just go to edit and export settings. From the export settings, we are going to select Unreal Engine for the export target. And the version that we are using of Reality Editor is 4.27, so we will also select 4.27. The plugin location is the plugin location of the zero density folders. So I will do that. Go to my C drive and program files, zero density, reality 4.27, engine, and plugins, and I will just select this folder. For a default project, I will just add it to any project that I already have in Reality Workspace, Reality and projects. I already have one. I'll put it in the starter content. The default project path will keep changing depending upon where you want your assets to be exported to. So once this is done, just hit install. And now you can see the plugin is installed, but before we can start using it, I have to go to my C drive. I have to find the plugin, program files, zero density, reality 4.27, engine, and plugins. Now if I go all the way down, I can see I have something called as Megascans plugin. Okay, so what I will do is, before I head into this plugin, I will just go to some other folder, say marketplace, and there is substance already. I will open this, and inside binaries I'll open Windows 64, and from here I will open this UE4 editor.modules with a notepad. So open with notepad, and what I'm going to do is copy the build ID, close this. Now I will head back to my Megascans folder. So Megascans plugin, binaries, Windows 64. I have the same dot module here. I will open this with a notepad, and I'm going to just paste it here and save it and close it. Now let me just open Reality Editor. I will open the starter pack that I selected during my installation. After changing the build ID, when you open your Reality Editor, you should see a Megascans plugin button. It works as expected. Let's see if we can export assets from Quixel Bridge. I will go to Quixel Bridge, and before we can export anything, just make sure to go to edit and settings, and here in the library path, just select a path where you want your files to be stored after they are downloaded. Okay, so let me quickly go to a surface first. I will select a surface, for example this one, and my resolution is set to 2K, and my export settings are, I will once again select my default project where I want it to go. So Reality Workspace, Reality Projects, and Starter Pack, Content, and select folder. And now I will download this It's downloaded now, and I will just click export. Up here you should see successful once it's done. Yeah, export successfully. Let's go back, and in the editor you can see I have a Megascans folder, and under there I have my Quixel material. Let's quickly export an 3D asset and see how it looks. I will go to any of these. I will download it. And once it's downloaded, I will export it and export it successfully. Let me go back to Reality Editor. You can see there is a folder called 3D Assets, Wooden Bench, and now I should have my asset ready to be used. That's how you install your Megascans plugin. This works for almost any other plugin as well. So if you want to install some other plugin, you might try the same method of copy pasting the build ID. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.